Shot 2, morale is not well among the employees. Lots of complaining. I've got my worst employee and my best employee here with me today. We're busting out a new Sicario. She may get fired by the end of this. Scree course, long bombs. We'll finally have a sight tape that can reach out to the long bombs, hopefully. So here we go. Where are we? Holbert, Oklahoma?
Holbert, Oklahoma.
Sequoia National Park. No, Sequoia State Park. State Park. The last shot 3D in the South. High. That wind picked up right as I got to full draw. Not a good shot to start. A little high. That's what I thought. Got lucky. I thought it was going to be higher than that. Shot 2. Morale is not well among the employees. Lots of complaining.
I'm not complaining.
Complaining and whining.
And I'm not your employee.
Threats to unionize. You're not, or you'd be fired already. I'm getting 116 yards and 120 yards. Shoot, I'm gonna go like 118. I don't know if that's right or not, but it's gonna be a little bit of a poke. I think we're in the leg, or just, we're in it, but boy, we're not great in it. Had this bow for about a week and a half. 117 yards. Just about an inch and a half, inch and 3/4 out of the 10 ring. It's nice to have a 120 mark. Whew. Shot 3, 72 and a half at a wolf. A little high, but not bad. Maybe high-longed it. I think we just grabbed an 8 ring on a, I didn't even think about that tree being out there beside it. Just the fact it's a little old target is enough. 73 yards. Shot 4. This course has had some really cool shots because we've had some bombs. 131. Golly. 131 and a half. I don't know if I...
Look like 131.
It's a big old target. 131's a long shot, and I don't know that I have a mark for that. The farthest I can go down is 130. Let's see if I clear at 130. Ooh, gut shot it. 131 and a half. I could only dial to 130. I guess I just couldn't get any higher than that anyway, so just a little low, a little back, but for 130 yards, just hitting the target's a pretty big deal to me. All right, shot 5. I think that's a cat under a tree or something. Right in the money. Not as good a shot as I thought. I really thought that was, it must have been quartering a little bit because it knocks right over the heart. But height-wise was good, just a little to the right. Shot 2, a ram up a hill, or shot 6, sorry. Shot 6, a ram up a hill. A little bit of shoulder, but a dead ram, I think. Upper 10 ring. Better than I thought it was. It's kind of quartering away, which is deceiving. This hike's been no joke. I don't know if it's 67 or if it's 70. I think I'm just going to put it on 68 and hope for the best. Under it. No, am I in it or under it? Am I, you sure? I heard it too, but I couldn't tell if it was. I felt like that was low. It must have been 70 and not 68 or 67. Just left and right's good, just low. So hopefully it didn't hit that leg stake. Ram way down there. $113 yards. Shot 8. Ooh, a little high. High long. Just a touch high left, but not as bad as I thought it was. Still in the insert. Still an 8, but what, 2 inches outside of the 10 ring? 113 yards. Where to next? Who's the one that didn't wear pants on an outdoor 4-mile archery hike? You. 113. A little left. Yeah, just a little left, like I thought. Height-wise was good, but a little left. Maybe I used a big expandable broadhead that killed it.
What is this thing?
It's a black horse with horns. Hybrid of cow and horse. Where are we going? Shot 10, little mini bear. Long ways out there. Little bitty target. $49 yards, so not that far, but it's just so little. Touch low. Alright, little bitty bear, smaller than my bow. Just a touch low on him. Left to right wasn't as bad as I thought it might be. That tree, had a snake right by that tree.
What?
I had to snake by that tree.
Oh.
Not a snake by the tree. Good Lord. Alright, turkey way down there. I hate turkeys, and I hate turkeys a long ways away, so.
They taste good.
They taste good. I just don't want to shoot them with a bow from this far away. 64-yard turkey. Tail. Little tail pop on it. Little low left, which left is going to be the theme of the day, because this bow with this sight, I can't make the sight move any further to the right or left, so I'm just maxed out and I'm just going to hit left a little bit. So I didn't have time to tweak it anymore, so we just had to send it. But info. Shot 12. There's a bear way down there. It's kind of like in the grass, so
You got this thing.
yeah, it's going to be a little tricky. I'm getting 86 yards. 86 yards. And a little bitty bear. Butt. Man, that was a bad shot. Shot it in the butt. It's a bad shot. Way left. That one was just a drive-by, punch the trigger shot. Not my proudest moment. So this is out in the middle of the woods. Pretty cool. I've never heard of it. I don't know anything about it, but kind of unique. Alright, shot 13. Some kind of a ram, I think. Just trash all around it. Not a super long shot, but just crap all over it. 58 yards. Right over that log. That is as close as you can get, but right where I wanted it. Just to the right of the 10 ring, but about where I wanted to shoot it. Like I was heart shooting it. I really flirted with that log up there. I should have been a little more conservative on that, but it got over it. All right. Shot 14, scree course, water buffalo. Uphill. 115. Shoulder maybe? Wasn't very good. This is called you've hiked 4 miles and you're exhausted. Your pin just can't stay steady. And I don't know, maybe I ranged it wrong too, but that's real low. A lot lower than I thought it'd be. Shot 15 at a zebra. 115 again. I've had a lot of 115s, which normally I'd be excited about, but my friggin' heart rate's through the roof. I lost it, but that was pretty good. A little high left. The water buffalo I hit low, so I held a little higher on this one and hit high. So I don't know what's wrong. Probably the fact that I've walked 4 miles carrying all this stuff and I'm exhausted. Shot 16, a bear up in the woods. Bunch of trash in front of it. 65 yards. Low. This course just kicked my tail. Low. Shot 17 at like an aardvark or something. Tight lane. .36 or 35, something like that. In it a little low. Quite good. Might be a touch high and right. I don't know if our faces tell the story, but this hike has been brutal. We are wore out. We are over it. We just finished 18. How many miles have we hiked so far?
Probably about 3 1/4.
Is that what it says on your watch?
Well, I set my watch about 1/4 mile in, and we just hit 4 miles.
4 miles. So we've gone 4 miles and a quarter. 4 1/4 miles so far. And we got 3 more targets? No, 2 more targets. All right, little right. Not too bad. Not complaining too much. All things considered. Got a bear eating out of a trash can. Shot 19. $75. Huh, 75 yards, I wish I could say. I always hit 12 rings at 75 yards. Alright, the earn it buck with a tree out there. Pretty good little poke out there. 94 yards. It's a good one to end on. Not a good shot necessarily to end it on. Top of the insert, but whew, it's over. And it didn't miss. One arrow, all 20 targets, so that's always the goal. So we'll count that as a good day. So the first outing for the PSC Sicario, got some things I want to change, some tweaks I need to make. Some changes I want to make to it, but first outing did excellent. Didn't miss any targets. This was probably the toughest course I've ever done at Shot 3D and TAC for that matter. Rough hike, long shots, stuff in the way. So the Sicario, definitely going to be a good shooting bow. Going to be a great hunting bow. I'll probably take it to TAC Utah here in a month or so. So stick around. Like, subscribe, get a Rambo e-bike, use TripleRwoods at checkout. Those of you that have been doing that, I appreciate it. It helps a ton and it should save you a ton, so appreciate that. Black Flag, if you're going to be out in the summer scouting, use Black Flag supplements to keep you hydrated so you don't get too hot and get a heat stroke, as I have done in the past. So use TripleRwoods at checkout when you order your Black Flag supplements. Appreciate it, guys. Have a good one. Stick around.